Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. Today we are going to do my empties. I have my bin here. I actually took everything out and it's sitting in front of me, and I have an overwhelming amount of skincare products to talk about for this empties video. Not so much makeup, not so much like the thing that I truly enjoy using, but that is okay. A lot of these products I have been working on for a long time, and some of these products I have not been working on for a long time, and they're just done and gone. So the first things I'm going to talk about are the bath and body, and then I'm going to just save the makeup for the end. There's not that much of them. So this should be a pretty quick empties video, and I'm very excited about that. But the first item that I can remember that I finished was this guy here. This is a very old Herbal Essences shampoo. This is the Arabica Coffee Fruit conditioner. I really liked the scent of this. I bought this 3 years ago. It still smells fantastic. There's a tiny bit on the lid. I liked this. This was nice. It was nice to use this after using such a terrible conditioner before, but I tend to only buy Pureology shampoo and conditioners. I won't buy this again, is long story short. I won't buy this again, which is totally fine by me. It was nice. It smelled lovely. I just don't purchase from Herbal Essences, and that's about that. Moving to a conditioner that was awful was this guy. This is not the package that it normally comes in. It comes in like a blue. I will have a picture somewhere on the screen of what the package normally looks like, but mine was shattered. I got it from Influencer for review, and I hated this. This was the worst conditioner I've used in such a long time. When I used this, it made my hair feel both crunchy and dry while it was wet and conditioner was in it, which was very weird. I ended up using this as like a shaving cream. So rather than using like a shaving like foam thing, I used this as like a shaving cream, and it was fine for that. Not great. Wouldn't repurchase. Not worth any amount of money. Not even worth being free. So the next item that we have is another one that I've been working on for a long time, and that is this guy. This is the Coconut Mint Drop by Bath & Body Works. I didn't purchase this. My aunt and uncle got this for me for Christmas a couple years ago, and I've just been like working through it. It's a very light scent, but I used it as a bathroom spray because I have other perfumes that I like to wear on the daily. So something like super light like this that's like doesn't last a while was perfect to use in the restroom. So that was that. It was nice. It was a really lovely scent. Oh, just like very sweet coconutty. It was very nice, but it's done. It's done. I've been working on that for like 2 years, which is just like way too long. The next item is this guy here, and Haley sent this for me. Man, it's like everything like someone else has given me for this empties, but Haley gifted this to me when I hit 1,000 subscribers on my channel. So thank you, Haley, for this. This was the Our Nana's Garden Body Butter. This was super oily of a lotion, and it wasn't my preferred like texture feel, but it was nice. It smelled like this lavender scent is probably the nicest lavender scent I've ever smelled, and made me like lavender a lot more. A lot of times like those floral like artificial scents can be like way too much for me, but this one was really nice. It was just like the feel of the lotion itself was too oily for me, so I ended up using it in conjunction with another product that's in this empties video, and that is this guy. And I just hauled this actually on my channel like 2 videos ago, and I am done with it. I used everything up. I ended up putting it into this container here, and I'm gonna try to get every ounce of this out, but I don't know if I'll be able to actually get it. But for all intensive purposes, this thing is empty. I don't like this. It was just, the scent was gross. I posted this on my Instagram, and someone was like, it smelled like bug repellent. I'm like, yeah, it definitely smells like bug repellent. It's just not good. This is the Completely Bare Don't Grow There Body Moisturizer and Hair Inhibitor. I didn't really do much. It like solved some razor burn, but like not really any. So I wouldn't repurchase that. It's not worth it. And then I had this last skincare thing, which was the Clarins Remove like exfoliant powder. This one of the ingredients in here is almond powder. Yeah, almond shell powder. So it's had like a very like peanut buttery kind of scent, like the almond butter, like it made me want a PB&J real bad. But this was okay. I wouldn't repurchase it. I didn't purchase it. I just wouldn't go out of my way to buy it. It was just like weird smelling like almond butter as you were cleansing your face. And then kind of like bridging, I don't know what kind of gap this would bridge, but I ended up finishing a little trial perfume. Ooh, there's actually a spritz left in here, and I'm gonna attempt to get this out because I like this fragrance. This is the Escada, oh my gosh, what are you? Summer Festival. I got this in Influencer last year, and I really enjoyed this mixed with my the sample of the Dossier perfume that I didn't like, so I gifted the fragrance itself, but I kept the trial size because I'm like, maybe I can layer it and I'll like it. And I liked it layered with this extra sweet scent, so it helped me get more use out of that Dossier perfume, which was really nice as well. So that is on the fast track of being empty for next time as well. Then I have a few makeup cosmetic empties. The first guy is this guy here. This is the Ulta Beauty brow gel. I want to make my own brow gel concoction in this. So I am going to try doing that, but I needed to I needed to tell you guys that this was empty. So when you see it like being used in another application, it's because I'm going to clean it out and then do my like makeup science experiment inside of this, and that's going to be what that is. But I'm very happy that this is gone. I really liked the Ulta brow tint. I really enjoyed this, but I'm trying to use some of my brow shades up, so I don't know if I'm going to be purchasing, I'm not going to be purchasing a brow product like this anytime soon, but I could see myself in the future purchasing a brow product like this. Another small item here, Josh got me a YSL palette a couple months ago in April. It was in April, and it ended up coming with this little sample foundation. I ended up using this all the way up. It took me a while. I just was reaching for my other foundations that are in projects, but I have like some notes on what I thought of this for like the 3 or 4 times that I did get to use this. This is the YSL All Hours foundation, and I had mine in the shade Warm Caramel, which, what about my skin tone screams warm caramel? Nothing. However, this like worked for my skin, so I don't think the YSL has a very deep shade range. I haven't looked at it, but I have a gut feeling if this warm caramel fit me, I don't think that the shade range is going to be like revolutionary and good. So I thought that this was full coverage, which was very nice. It had a good shade match. It had a kind of a weird fragrance. It was sweet and floral, just like wasn't expecting that in a foundation, but the matte, or it was a like satin matte kind of finish, so it didn't set down all the way, but it didn't it wasn't super radiant and dewy, but I did enjoy this. I'm sure that this is very expensive in a full size, so I can never see myself buying a full size of that. Then a product that I just kind of finally decided that it was time, because she doesn't work the way she used to, is the Stila Stay All Day liquid liner in Intense Black. And when I say it doesn't work as well as it used to, I really have to push down like the whole thing, and it creates a thick line, whereas I want to just be able to use the tip, and the tip is kind of dried out. You should be able to tell, right? So it's just not worth having this anymore. I have another eyeliner that I really love, and I just don't need this one anymore. It served its purpose. It served its time. It's lasted like a year and a half. Like, I think it only has technically a year. It's a 6-month open life, but I had it open for like a year and a half. Don't shame me. Don't shame me for that. Then a very anticipated item was this guy. This was the Makeup Revolution liquid highlight drops in the shade Liquid Champagne. I did not ever realize that the name was on the bottom. Wow, I'm observant. I ended up taking the stopper out of this guy. I kept the stopper for weight purposes, but I took the stopper out of here, and she's doggone empty, and I'm so freaking proud of myself for this, and I am so close to finishing my other almost done liquid highlight. So maybe in a couple months we'll have another one. Just plowing through my liquid highlights apparently. And then the last item that I finished this month, which was like total, like I was not expecting to finish this, and all of a sudden I'm just like spritzing it on. It's a setting spray, and it was done. That is this guy here. This is the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. It is just like a teeny tiny trial size. How much is in you? It's like a little over half of an ounce in this. But I didn't expect it to like, I used it for like 2 weeks and then I was done with it. So I am going to keep this packaging because when we travel, it'll be nice to have like this teeny tiny package, so I can put another setting spray in it that I want to take with me and not take so much room in my bag. So that is it. Those are all of my empties. I do not have the numbers in front of me of what the cost is, but I will have all of that over there in whatever side of the screen that's on. I think it's the left side for you guys. I never know. I never know. But yeah, that is it. That is everything. I definitely need to step up my empties game, and I think with the next coming couple months, we're definitely going to be able to like even out and surpass what we bought in terms of monetary value through our empties. In particular, there is one big ticket item that I like, big ticket makeup item, and then there's possibly a very large ticket perfume that's going to be done by the end of the year at least. So we have a couple more months to really like drive up our empties value, which is exciting. But yeah, that is everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you see anything in here that you love, that you've enjoyed, that you have opinions on as well. Let me know what products you finished up that were like a tremendous feat for you, something that was like just, it took forever and ever and ever, and all of a sudden it like was done. You're like, what? But that is it. That is everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!